Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Juicing Foodie. Today we're gonna make a watermelon cake. So guys, look at my watermelon. It is so red, colorful, and juicy. And it was so sweet, guys. So hydrating, so sweet. I think some time ago I did show you guys how to pick the best and the sweetest watermelons from the grocery store. I think you guys should check out those videos. I'll leave them linked in the comment section. So I'm going to be using several fruits to decorate my watermelon cake. Bananas, tangerines, and grapes. You can use any fruit you like. So guys, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm the Juicing Foodie. Please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss any of my new videos. I upload healthy juices and delicious food recipes every week. So enjoy the video, guys. And of course, I'm going to be using mince to garnish. And voila, we have a nicely decorated watermelon cake. It was so yummy. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Also, write a nice comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao!